You know, people are always saying my head's in the clouds. This time I gotta agree with them. You know, this was really fun. We used 1-inch foam, and all we did was we cut out some clouds, and then we took butcher paper and some of the scrap paper that was part of the foam, and we just kind of laid it on there, used some spray adhesive glue, and just kind of batted on there real quick. Then we took our batting, we cut about 4 to 6 inches all the way around our cloud. And then what we did, we picked it back up, we sprayed all our adhesive on. And you see what we did is I had them push down in between to create those crevices and those valleys. And you can see what we did is we came around the back side and we used our adhesive glue again and we stretched it around, and that way it didn't go anywhere. All the extra foam that we had left over, we all used for stands. So look at this, a little bit of duct tape, clear tape, whatever you got, and our cloud stands right up. Then what I did is I sprinkled some silver glitter. We had a little bit of gold and a little bit of blue up on top. And boy, when the lights hit it, it just makes the sun where it looks like it's just kissing the top of the clouds.
Now that's wacky!